Ethereum value equivalent to 33,793 rands a coin. The present cost range, 33,673. 33,866. The earlier day close, 34,160. The change was 367. 1.07%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Costs 33,209 rands. High 35,534. Low 30,884. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, August 8. Costs 33,491 rands. High 35,835. Low 31,147. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Costs 33,111 rands. High 35,429. Low 30,793. Ethereum figure on Thursday, August 10. Costs 34,388 rands. High 36,795. Low 31,981. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Costs 34,716 rands. High 37,146. Low 32,286. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, August 14. Costs 33,889 rands. High 36,261. Low 31,517. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. Costs 34,497 rands. High 36,912. Low 32,082. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 16. Costs 34,800 rands. High 37,236. Low 32,364. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Costs 34,238 rands. High 36,635. Low 31,841. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, August 18. Costs 34,150 rands. High 36,541. Low 31,760. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Costs 34,327 rands. High 36,730. Low 31,924. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, August 22. Costs 33,615 rands. High 35,968. Low 31,262. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23. Costs 34,133 rands. High 36,522. Low 31,744. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, August 24. Costs 33,337 rands. High 35,671. Low 31,003. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 25. Costs 33,256 rands. High 35,584. Low 30,928. In 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, August 28. Costs 33,615 rands. High 35,968. Low 31,262. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, August 29. Costs 33,062 rands. High 35,376. Low 30,748. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, August 30. Costs 32,172 rands. High 34,424. Low 29,920. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, August 31. Costs 31,433 rands. High 33,633. Low 29,233. Ethereum gauge on Friday, September 1. Costs 31,303 rands. High 33,494. Low 29,112. In about a month Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, September 4. Costs 30,752 rands. High 32,905. Low 28,599. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, September 5. Costs 30,228 rands. High 32,344. Low 28,112. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at 26,230 rands. Exorbitant costs 30,326. While low cost 26,230. Found the middle value of cost 27,782. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 28,342. change for December 8.1%, Ethereum gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 28,342 rands, exorbitant cost 32,010. While low cost 27,822. The found the middle value of cost 29,523. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 29,916. Change for January 5.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 29,916 rands, exorbitant cost 35,310. While low cost 29,916. The found the middle value of cost 32,036. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 33,000. Change for February 10.3%. Ethereum estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 33,000 rands, exorbitant cost 37,620. While low cost 32,698. The found the middle value of cost 34,619. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 35,159. Change for spring 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at 35,159 rands, exorbitant cost 43,639. While low cost 35,159. The found the middle value of cost 38,685. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 40,784. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for May 2024. At the outset cost at 40,784 rands. Excessive cost 40,784. While low cost 34,687. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 38,388. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 37,298. Change for May 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost at 37,298 rands. Excessive cost 40,548. While low cost 35,242. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 37,746. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 37,895. Change for June 1.6%. Ethereum conjecture for July 2024. At the outset cost at 37,895 rands. Excessive cost 47,035. While low cost 37,895. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 41,696. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 43,958. Change for July 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at 43,958 rands. Excessive cost 43,958. While low cost 37,090.